Hello students, today we will study about salts. Now by salt I don't mean to say sodium chloride, which is also known as the common salt. Salt is a general name given to compound formed by reaction of acids and base. Sodium chloride is just one type of salt. This means sodium chloride is just one member of a huge family of compounds called salts. When acids react with bases, then salt and water are formed. For example, when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, then H positive ion from hydrochloric acid and OH negative ion from sodium hydroxide will combine to form water, and the other substance formed along with water will be termed as a salt. Now, how will you recognize whether the given compound is a salt or not? See children, salt is an ionic compound which when added to water liberates cations. Cations means positive ions, out of which one cation is different from H positive ion, and anions. Anions means negative ions, out of which one anion is different from hydroxide, that means OH negative ion. Let us understand this with the help of some examples. First of all, we will take an example of NaCl. Now when NaCl is added to water, it will liberate two ions, Na positive which is a cation and Cl negative which is an anion. Now here the cation is not H positive and anion is not OH negative. So, NaCl can be termed as a salt. Let us take one more example of NaHSO4. Now, when it is added to water, it will liberate Na positive, H positive, both of these are cations, and SO4 negative, which is an anion. Now, in this, out of the two cations, one is not H positive and the anion is not OH negative. So, NaHSO4 can also be termed as a salt. Let us take another example of lead hydroxide, which is PbOH whole twice. Now, when it is added to water, it will liberate Pb2 positive and OH negative. Pb2 positive is a cation and OH negative is an anion. Now the cation here is not H positive, but the anion here is OH negative. So PbOH whole twice, that means lead hydroxide, cannot be termed as a salt. I hope the concept of salts is clear to you. Now in the next video lesson, we will study about the family of salts and the type of salts.